And all became an empty room. The walls are blank and unused.
Good morning. Today is the 23rd day of December, and I am on my way back to Plainfield. Spent the night in rest stop area number 1 in Kentucky, just over the Tennessee border. Woke up with a bit of a headache. I think it's because I haven't had coffee, because my coffee maker is not in the RV yet. But I fixed that early, first thing, and am just cruising along here. Gonna make a stop in Paducah and see if I can get a part for my refrigerator heater that I need. It's kind of an oxymoron, a refrigerator heater, but it is the unit that takes the moisture out of the refrigerator and makes it cold. Anyway, that clear forecast is obviously not clear. It is still raining out, and hopefully that will end sometime soon. But today is going to be a fantastic day. Had a great night's sleep. Oh my God, it was sunny and 75 when I woke up this morning in the back of the coach. It was about 40 and raining outside. And that's about it. I'll be back in a little bit. Oh, and another thing, yeah, it is the next day, and I still, looks like I still have some of the same clothes on from yesterday, because I do, because I am out of clothes. So I need to definitely get back and get some things washed and figured out and get all my stuff in here. Fun. So I'm going over another bridge here. I don't know. It's the Ohio River. And it is gone from lush to barren trees and gray. But 24 hours will do.
Welcome to Illinois.
Sure does. We're in these little tiny towns. I don't know which one it is in Illinois. They put a Christmas tree right in the middle of the street. I don't know where I'm at, but there was a vape shop over there, and I just plugged it into my GPS that I needed vape stuff, and it brought me into this little town with a Christmas tree right in the middle of the intersection. I feel like I've stepped back a few years, but this is cool. And if I needed a water heater, I can get one right there. Can't wait to find more of these. Fantastic. Yeah, I didn't really know where to put my rig, so I just parked it there. All right, time to head back to Peeville. Well, I guess I couldn't have gotten back any better timing than I did. It is snowing. There's probably an inch already on the ground, and southern Illinois would have been a disaster going through. But parked safely. Thank you very much, my very good friend. And that's about it. It's Christmas Eve. My boy's coming over. I missed the hell out of my other son, Nicholas, who's in Boulder still. Hopefully I get to see him soon. And it was really nice just pressure off being back and being able to relax last night without the stresses of driving or having to get somewhere. So I hope everybody has an amazing Christmas, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Like the pine trees lining the winding road, I've got a name, I've got a name. Like the singing bird and the croaking toad, I've got a name. I've got a name. And I carry it with me like my daddy did. But I'm living the dream that he kept here. Moving me down the highway, rolling me down the highway, moving ahead so life won't pass me by. Like a north wind whistling down the sky, I've got a song, I've got a song. Like the whippoorwill and the babies cry, I've got a song, I've got a song. And I carry it with me and I sing it loud if it gets me